How to configure Gemini Apps Activity settings. First, open the Gemini app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now, tap the menu button on the left side. Next, tap your profile picture or initial and then select Gemini Apps Activity. Here, you can review your Gemini activity and manage how your conversations are saved. At the top, you'll see your Keep Activity setting. Tap it if you want to turn this setting off or back on. If you turn Keep Activity off, Gemini conversations won't appear in your Gemini Apps Activity, although Google says conversations may still be retained for up to 72 hours to provide the service and process feedback. You can also configure Auto Delete. Tap the Auto Delete option and choose whether your activity should be deleted after 3, 18, or 36 months, or select Don't Auto Delete Activity. You can also review individual activities and delete them whenever you want. If you use Gemini Live, your transcripts, audio, images, and other shared content can also appear in Gemini Apps Activity when Keep Activity is enabled. That's it. Now you know how to configure Gemini Apps Activity settings.